What's up, y'all? Feets here. You're looking at the back of a VIZIO flat screen TV that has been fried by lightning, according to its former owner. Went ahead and unscrewed a lot of the screws in here because it's screwy. There are a bunch of them all around the edges. And I stuck my magnet to this. This is steel, big hunk of steel. Inside here, got a prickly on the back. Be careful. Got this mid-grade. Did this what looks like a motherboard of some sort. I guess this is the brain of the whole thing. Not a whole lot on it. Of course, this is one of those North Bridge, South Bridge chips under here, under the heatsink. Boy, not a whole lot going on in this thing, huh? This sucks. Okay, take that one off. And I unscrewed this piece. And we got this little booger under here. With some nice gold-plated pins in it. I guess that's, ooh, look, that's gold-plated. Woohoo! A lot of monolithic ceramic capacitors on this joker. Be worth it if you have a bunch of them. I don't know what's under here yet because I haven't opened it yet. Come on, give it up. Aha, more screws. At least it's not rivets. You know what they say about rivets? That's right, they suck ass. Rivets are not your friend unless you have a drill. Then you can unrivet them. No, you can screw a hole. You can drill a hole in it, and a rivet's no problem. Let's see what's under here. Come on now, give it up. Pull it into the booger puss. Oh, it's damn tape stuff. Salmon bitch. They hit a screw on me. Them sneaky bastards. Fight it again, sneaky bastards. This video is probably running a little long for some of you folks. You mouth breathers are probably already checked out by now, so let's talk about them. They look stupid, especially when they play video games, and then they drool on themselves. Okay, not a lot to write home about in here. There's, I guess these would be ruthenium resistors. It's not a bad thing, if, like I said, if you have a bunch of these things. I don't care if it's screwing it. There we go. Not much going on this joker. Looks like we got a little board in here with not much going on. Some monolithic ceramic capacitors in there. This is the screen. I'm guessing it's steel. That piece is anyway. Yep. They're mostly steel. You think they'd make these things out of aluminum for what they make you pay for them. Anyway, unless you have quite a few of these things, there's really nothing to get all excited about. Wow. Well, these are probably your best bet if you get a bunch of them, but anyway. Hope this 4 minutes and almost 5 minutes didn't hurt your brain too much. See ya!